Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, it's your girl Lizzie. If you're just seeing this channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section. I love you all so much, and for returning subscribers, you're just all the best. Like I always say, thank you all for your immense support, for your comments, for your likes. I love you all so very much. So today I'm going to be showing you all one of the latest ways of tying satin right now. And the first thing I did was to fold the edges of the satin material. Thereafter, I made 4 pleats on her head. The rule for this particular satin tutorial today is 50-50. The both hands of your satin has to be equal. You just have to make sure that the both hands are equal. For this particular tutorial today, I'm using a 2-yard satin material. So what I have here with me is 2 yards. So at this point, I'm going to be working with one of the 50 hands of my satin material. I'm just going to be lifting the material up a little just so that I can be able to form ruffles. And after lifting the material up, I'm going to pin it at every point so that it stays in place and so that it doesn't unravel. I'm going to do this also with the second ruffle. I'm just going to lift my material up a little and pin it. As you can see guys, this is not difficult at all. I bet you if you're able to follow the steps that I'm showing you all, I believe that you will definitely not find it difficult in any way. So the difference between this particular tutorial and my previous tutorial is I'm going to be joining the ruffles together. I'm not just going to leave the ruffles. I'm going to join them. In my previous tutorial, I made the ruffles to stay apart, but for this particular tutorial, I'm going to be joining every ruffle that I make in this video. This is just so that it gives me a different look and so that it comes out really beautiful. So I'm going to be making ruffles all the way to the other side of her face. I'm just going to continue the same thing till I exhaust this particular hand of the satin material that I am holding. Okay people, so when doing this, when tying this particular material, you want to make sure that you pin properly because you do not want this material to unravel at any point. You don't want the gele to fall from your head at any point, so you want to make sure that you pin properly, and you also want to make sure that your pins are not too visible. You can just hide them in a little bit. So I am done with making ruffles with the first 50 parts of my satin material. So I'm just going to twist the remaining hand that is left to the back and pin it the way you can see me do in this video. I'm just going to twist it and then pin it somewhere behind her head. Okay guys, so once you're done with one hand of the material, you should go over to the second hand of the material, but this depends on how long your satin material is. If this were to be a 1 yard satin material, it won't go over, like it won't go around her head 2 times, but because this is 2 yards, it's going to go over, it's going to go around her head 2 times. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing I did with the first 50 parts of the satin material. The only difference is I'm going to be pinning this hand now on top the first hand that I made. I'm just going to be making ruffles on top the first 50 parts of the material. Just going to be placing that there. And guys, do not forget that when you're doing this, you have to make sure that you join the ruffles together so that they come out really beautiful and so that they do not stay apart. I believe that this is the beauty of this particular tutorial right now. So I'm just going to be going all the way to the other side of her face. So guys, we're almost done with this hand of the satin material. I want to quickly thank you guys for your love on my previous satin material tutorial. It's like the love has been wonderful. I want to thank those who have shared, those who have commented, those who have liked, and those who have subscribed. You guys have really been beautiful. The love has been wonderful. I love you all so much. So we're almost done with this hand of the satin material. I'm just going to quickly arrange the front of the I'm going to arrange the front of the material so that everything stays in place and so that it looks very firm on her head. And then for the remaining part of the material, I'm going to take it to the back, twist it the way I did with the other hand, that is with the first 50 hand of the material. I'm going to twist it to the back and then pin it. Okay guys, this is about the end of this tutorial today. I do hope that this video has been helpful to someone. If it has, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. And if you've not turned on your notification buttons, please do that so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. If this video has been helpful to you, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. And if you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, please do that so that you will definitely know how to tie. I love you all so much, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.